Hello and welcome to our tutorial on the video element. Are your customers finding it difficult to understand your product or services in general? Adding a video to your website is an excellent way to grab visitors' attention and deliver information about your product or services more comprehensively. Dotcom has a video element that you can leverage to embed videos effortlessly into your website. Go to the desired theme page in your Dotcom account and click Elements. Drag and drop the video element to the design canvas. Hover over the element to edit all three sections: video element, container column, and container row. 1. Video element. Click the edit icon on the element. It has three tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. Go to the Content tab. Start by choosing the video source. You can add the video link from YouTube or Vimeo and embed the corresponding video. Along with that, you can also upload a video from your computer. Please note that the size of the uploaded video should not exceed 25 megabytes and must be in MP4 format. The video gets added to the video library simultaneously. You can upload as many videos as you want to the library. To add a video from the library, click on the video and save. Depending on your video source, add the start time and end time of the video. The autoplay toggle enables you to play the video automatically when the page loads on the browser. You can also disable the player controls by disabling this toggle. Toggle the loop switch on if you want the video to run continuously in a loop as long as the page is open on the browser. With the mute toggle switch, you can keep the video sound on or off on your page. Next, switch to the Style tab. Here, you can configure the aspect ratio and box shadow values of the video. Go to the Advanced section. Here, you can change the margin, padding, and width values of the video for different screen types: desktop, tablet, and mobile. Now, go to the Background section. Here, you can configure the background values of the element in normal mode and the hover effect. Select the Normal tab. Here you can set the background type as color or image. Along with that, you can set the radius and box shadow values. Click the Hover tab to perform similar customizations. Now, expand the Border section. Here, you can customize the border type, border color, and border width for normal and hover modes. The last section in this tab is Visibility. Here you get to hide the video on different screen types. 2. Container column. Click its edit icon. Go to the Content tab. Here, adjust multiple column parameters like column width, column gap, alignment, and widget space for different screen types. Navigate to the Style tab. It has two modes: Normal and Hover, where you can adjust the style parameters for the background and border for each mode separately. Finally, you can use the Advanced tab to make further customizations. 3. Container row. Hover over the container row and click the edit icon. Select the Content tab. Here, you can adjust the content width, height, row gap, column position, and vertical alignment. Switch to the Style tab. It has Normal and Hover tabs. Under each mode, you can perform background and border customizations for the container row. Go to the Advanced tab. Here, you can customize the margin, padding, and CSS parameters. Further, you can configure the responsive and visibility. That is all about the container row. In addition to the above customizations, you can also carry out general actions like deleting, duplicating, or rearranging the container. Save the changes and click Preview to see the updated design. That ends our tutorial on how to use the video element on Dotcom. We'll be back with more helpful tutorials to help you with designing your website using Dotcom. If you have any queries or concerns, please reach out to our implementation specialist or contact our support team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.